Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast. As we meet again. So y'all, I bought his chocolate. It was cheap. You know, I'm not rich, so yeah. If I get this ticket, I will remember y'all. Well, I think Alaska is broken. And I think it's froze. Look. Look. Did somebody eat it? This is good luck. It's not supposed to be like this. We open with this. I guess you have to go online and scan it. So we're gonna go do that now. Okay, y'all, that was boring, but I will leave my link down below. I did all that stuff, so let's both win, because yeah, both of us a chance to win. So let's try the chocolate. But Mr. Beast, I think I should win because mine came messed up, and that's not fair. That's not fair at all. That's not fair at all. Y'all tag him. What is this? What is this? I don't even think I should taste it. What is this? Oh, but okay, hold on. I'm not even gonna blame him, but this should give me, because I clearly didn't get it, you know, fair. But this is the Crunch Bar, so let's try it. Tastes like a Crunch Bar. Tastes like chocolate. It's not fair that someone ate most of mine, but I'm good. It's good. It's good. So I give it like a candy. Always make my mouth funny, but so 9, 10 out of 10. It's good. It's chocolate. Can't mess up chocolate. But for this, I should make it, Mr. Beast. I should make it. Y'all click my link so I can go make it. I'm doing this for us. Okay? For us. But just for this, I should make it.